Here I am going to discuss about how we will find 8-point DFT of a sequence by using DIF FFT algorithm. Okay, in that actually DIF FFT algorithm is just opposite of that of DIT FFT algorithm. In that here the sequence are given x of n is equal to 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 1. Okay, this is the value of x of n. Then first we have to find the power of w, that is w 8 raised to 0, we know that 1, and w 8 raised to 1 is equal to 1 by root 2 minus j into 1 by root 2, and w 8 raised to 2 is equal to minus j, and w 8 raised to 3 is equal to minus 1 by root 2 minus j into 1 by root 2. Okay, this is the value. And for finding this DFT by using this method, first we are having how many sequence? 8 sequence. That's why we will draw 8 lines. 1 2 3 4, then again 1 2 3 4. Okay, these are the 4 group of lines. Now and see here how we will mark here. This will be x of 0, and what is the value of x of 0? X of 0 will be, they had given 2, then this value will be x of 1, and this will be x of 2 and x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7. Okay, and this value will be 2, they had given 2, and this will be 2, and this will be 1 1 1, and this will be 1. Okay, now I have told you in this first we are having dividing the 4 lines are one group, and the remaining 4s are one group. Okay, then in this we are marking the w power. The first, the magnitude of this line 1, this will be 1 1, and this will be 1, and next to 4 will be minus 1 minus 1, this will be minus 1, and this will be minus 1. And the output power, this will be w 8 raised to 0, w 8 raised to 1, w 8 raised to 2, and w 8 raised to 3. This is the output power. Okay, now how we will draw the cross mark? For drawing the cross mark, actually what we have done in the DIT method, just we will do the opposite of that. That's why first we will make it 4 line as one group. Okay, for that we have to select the point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now 1 2 3 4, and we will draw from here, that is from 1 to 1 2 3 4. After 3 line we will join like this, from here to this will be here, and from here to this will be here, and from here to here, here to here, like that, and like that from here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here, like that we will join. Okay, now here we have to find the values. Okay, for finding the value, and here the value will be, see the magnitude 2 into 1 2 2 plus, and here this will be 1 only, that is equal to 3. And see here, this is 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 1 1, that is equal to 3. And see here 2 into 1 2 plus here 1, that is 3, and here also 3. And next you see at this point what are the value? 1 is 2, then this will be minus 1, that is minus 1 into W80, that will be equal to 1 only. And then here you see at this point this will be 2, minus this will be 1 into W 8 raised to 1. This value will be we can write it as 1 by root 2 minus j into 1 by root 2. Okay, like that here also the value will be 2 minus 1 into W 8 raised to 2, that is equal to minus j. And then next this will be equal to minus 1 by root 2 minus j into 1 by root 2. Okay, this is the value. And then next second step, here we got the input sequence 3 3 3 3 and then 1. Then if you expand at 0.07 minus j into 0.707, next value minus j, comma minus 0.707 minus j into 0.707. Okay, this is the value. And then second step, we are having the factors W4 raised to 0, that will be 1, and W4 raised to 1, that will be equal to minus j. Okay, and now how we will draw the lines? See here again for 8 lines, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here the value will be, input will be whatever we have got from the previous, that is 3 3 3 3. Then next 1, next will be 0.707 minus j into 0.707, this will be minus j. This is minus 0.707 minus j into 0.707. Okay, now in this second stage we will make group of 2. This will be the one group and this will be the one group. Okay, like that. First in this, then how will be the magnitude? This will be 1, this will be 1, and this will be minus 1, this will be minus 1, and here also this will be 1, this will be 1, and this will be minus 1, this will be minus 1. Okay, now we have to mark W 4 raised to 0, that we will mark here, that will be 1, and W 4 raised to 1 minus j. And here also first this always will be 1 only. Okay, and here also always we will mark last two line, this is 1 and this will be minus j. Okay, now we have to draw the cross line. How we will draw the cross line? Because here we are making group of 2. Okay, first we will mark the point. Okay, then how we will cross? Here after one line we will cross like this, and here also we will leave one line and we will cross like this. See here like this, and here also like this and like this. And the next step also leave one line, then go draw cross line like this. Okay, now we have to find the value. Okay, and here what it will come? This here this will be equal to, what is the value here? Three into 1, that is 3 plus, and this value here, this will be 3, that is equal to 6. Like that here also the value 1 from here, 3 into 1 3 plus 3 into 1 3, that is equal to 6. Here also 6, here also 6. Okay, and at this point what is the value? 1 into 1 1. Okay, this will be 0, it's not 6, because here minus 1 will come. Okay, that is here, see here 3 into 1, sorry, see here 3 into 1 3 minus, here the next point will be 3 into minus 1, that will be 0, and this will also will be 0, and next point will be at this, what is this? 1 into 1 1 plus minus j, that is 1 minus j. And here at this point, what is this? Minus 707 minus j into 0.707, and this will be plus this value, that is minus 7.07 minus j07. Okay, then what we will get the value? That will be minus j into 1.414. Okay, and at this point, what is the value? 1 minus j. Okay, this will be 1 plus j, 1 minus j, 1 plus j, and here we will get minus j 1.414. Okay, these are the values we are getting after second sequence. Then what are the value of x of n? Here we can write x of n equal to 6 0 0 1 minus j 1.414 1 plus j comma minus j 1.414. Okay, these are the value after second step. And now we have to consider the third line. In third line only one value will be there, that is w2 raised to 0, that will be 1. Now how we will draw the third line? See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here the value will be previous case, that is 6 6, then 0 0, this will be 1 minus j 1.414, and this will be 1 plus j, and this will be minus j 1.414. Okay, these are the values. Okay, now how we will mark the cross mark? And this magnitude also we have to mark. This will be 1, this will be minus 1. Now we are making one line group. Okay, this will be 1, this will be minus 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1. Okay, now we have to draw the cross mark. Then how we will draw? This will be one group, this will be one group, this will be one group, and this will be one group, and here the value will be 6 into 6 plus 6 12, and here 6 minus 6 0. Okay, and now here this will be 0 plus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, and here the value will be 1 minus j plus j into 414, that is 1 minus j into 2.414, and here it will become 1 plus j into 0.414, and here 1 plus, if you multiply this, 1 minus j into 0.414 will come, and here this will be 1 plus j into 2.414 will come. Okay, these are the values. And here how we will mark? We will write it as in the Biggs reversal order, that is, this is x of 0, this is x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, because we have already done the bit reversal, x of 5, and x of 3, x of 7. Okay, and the final answer we will write in the correct order. That means first we will write what is x of 0, that is y of n, we can write it as x of 0. that is 12. Then x of 1, that will be x of 1 will be 1 minus j 2.414. Then x of 2 will be 0. X of 3 will be 1 minus j 0.414. X of 4 will be 0. X of 5 will be 1 plus j 0.414. X of 6 will be 0. X of 7 1 plus j 2.414. Okay, this is the final expression of the signal.